All right, so this is chapter 19, mechanical vibration. This is for check-in number 11, I believe. Um, I spent about 6 hours so far this week um, watching the lecture videos, notes, and examples. Um, Stuff is still a little bit confusing. Um, just looking at it in the notes. But after this, I'm going to start on the homework, and hopefully, the homework will make it a little bit more clear. Um, so this is all chapter 19 is all just about vibration, oscillation, defining times of the period, um, stuff like that. So we want to get everything in terms. We want to rewrite everything in terms of this equation as x double dot plus omega n squared x is equal to 0. That's if you're doing it in terms of a distance or in terms of an angle, you use theta. And this whole chapter is about finding the natural angular frequency, omega n. So when looking at a problem, you want to first determine if the system is undamped or damped, and if the motion is either free motion or forced motion. Um, and so we just get into it right here. Um, this stuff right here is actually pretty familiar to me. Um, I just started using the delta instead of the D symbol. Makes a little bit more sense in my head to me. Um, and yeah, so this is just drawing the free body diagram, getting all the forces, converting back into your equation, and going from there. So went through here, took all the notes. Um, yeah, so I just spent time going through the notes, replacing what needs to be put in here, um, going over some example problems, and whatnot. So this is what I've done so far this week, trying to kind of balance everything with my other finals and projects that I have due at the end of this week and beginning of next. So we're doing this, getting ready for the final. Because all the way down here, the stuff at the bottom is a little bit new to me. All these electrical systems, currents, and stuff. I haven't really worked a lot with currents or circuits in general, so this stuff is kind of new to me. Um, but the concept kind of makes sense, so that's good. Um, yeah, that's what I've done this week. So that's my weekly check-in.